Hello, myself Sushma Maski, and I'm giving this presentation for the partial fulfillment of requirement of online pre-PhD course 2021 conducted by UGC HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. At the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Bharti Gavli Madam, Coordinator, Dr. Anand Deshmukh Sir, Subject Coordinator, all the resource person and support staff of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. My topic is an integration of persons with disability as a corporate sector responsibility, an analysis with special reference to Indian constitutional law and human rights. So far as the concept of disability is concerned, many individuals they born with disability, but few of them they acquired the disability later in their life. But the disability is a universal phenomena. According to the census 2011, 2.68% is the population of persons with disability in India. On the other hand, the other studies states that this figure is underestimated. Although the various efforts at international and domestic level has been initiated to protect the interest of persons with disability. At international level, the Convention on Rights of Persons with Disability, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, and many more measures has been initiated. Coming down to the domestic level, the Constitution of India, it enshrines various fundamental rights and the constitutional rights for the protection of the interest of citizens of this country. Apart from this, various statutes, policies and judicial pronouncements are also there. But 3% reservation is also provided in the public employment. But the outcome of all these efforts is not satisfactory. Moreover, the new policy which has been adopted in the year 1990, that is the policy of liberalization, privatization and globalization. In this era, how to protect the interest of persons with disability. With that thought, I have chosen this topic for my research. So far as the significance of this research is concerned, because of the deep-rooted custom and by virtue of other reasons, few remains vulnerable, for example, children, women, senior citizens, migrant workers, tribal and persons with disability. They constitute a majority. If the majority population is not empowered or developed, one cannot dream about becoming a superpower among the nations. Therefore, this study concentrates with the concerns of persons with disability as they are valuable human resources for the country, and that to ensure an opportunity to transform their economic dependency to the productive work with a view to avoid the substantial losses to themselves and the society and ultimately to the economy. So far as the objectives of the studies are concerned, to study the existing laws, policies, programs, schemes related to the employment which affects the life of persons with disability, to analyze the means of implementation of the laws and various policies, to study the reach of these schemes and their impact with respect to the actual need of the disabled, and to study the concept of corporate social responsibility and its utilization to protect the interest of persons with disability. Methodology of this study is adopted for the study would be primary and secondary research. Primary data will be collected through the tool of questionnaire method from the companies, multinational companies and other stakeholders in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Information and views would be collected from the employed persons with disability in various sectors. For secondary data, a review of published literature which includes the commentary books, newspapers, report of various commissions and committees, social science journals, etc. will be studied. So it is very much required to integrate the persons with disability in the mainstream of the nation to become a superpower. Thank you so much.